Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our today's English class. Our today's topic is adjectives. In this class we will be discussing about the definition of adjectives and its types with example. First of all, the definition of an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. It tells us what kind, which one, how many, or how much about a noun or a pronoun. It means that an adjective is a word that adds to the meanings of a noun or pronoun. It gives us extra information. For example, she has a red dress. In this sentence, red is an adjective because it is adding to the information about the dress, that is a noun, as well as it is also giving us some information related to the pronoun, that is she, which means she has a red dress. He is a tall boy. In this sentence, tall is an adjective. The last example, I have 3 books. In this, 3 is an adjective which gives us information about the noun books and the pronoun I. Moving on to the types of adjectives. The first type of adjective is descriptive adjective. A descriptive adjective is a word that describes the quality, nature, or condition of a noun or a pronoun. It means that this type of adjective is basically describing the noun. For example, she is a kind girl. Here, the word kind is an adjective which is describing the quality of a girl. Second type of adjective is distributive adjective. A distributive adjective is a word that refers to each individual, person, or thing in a group separately. This type of adjective is basically pointing out a single person, thing, or a feeling from a group individually. For example, each student has a book. In this sentence, each is a distributive adjective which is pointing out everyone in a class separately. The third form of adjective is interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is a word that is used with a noun to ask a question. Interrogative means to ask a question. This type of adjective is added to a sentence to ask a question about a noun. For example, which book do you like? It means among all the books, which is the book that you like? Next form, possessive adjective. A possessive adjective is a word that shows ownership or possession of a noun. It means it shows the possession of a noun to which that noun or a thing it belongs. For example, this is my bag. In this, the adjective used is this. It is pointing out to the bag that belongs to me. The next type of adjective is a demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is a word that points out or identifies a specific noun. Here, it means that this type of adjective identifies a specific noun. It shows or it points out to a specific noun or a pronoun. For example, this pen is mine. The last type of adjective is quantitative adjective. A quantitative adjective is a word that shows the quantity or amount of a noun. It means that it shows how much or how many of the noun or pronoun is being talked about in a sentence. For example, I have some water. In this, the quantitative adjective is some, which is basically showing the amount of water which a person have. If we sum up the whole lecture, in this class we have discussed about adjective and its type. Uh, we learned that adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of any noun or a pronoun. After that, we discussed six types of adjectives, which are basically adding to the meaning of noun or a pronoun. I hope you all understand the concept of adjectives, its types, and uses. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you for your attention and joining the class. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.